I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating a new device on the Telus network can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Gather your information. Before starting the activation process, make sure you have your new device, your Telus account information, and the SIM card that came with your device. Step 2. Insert the SIM card. Power off your new device and insert the Telus SIM card into the designated slot. Make sure it is seated properly to avoid connectivity issues. Step 3. Power on the device. Turn on your device and wait for it to boot up. You may see a prompt to set up your device, which is normal. Follow any on-screen instructions. Step 4. Activate online or via app. Visit the Telus activation page or use the My Telus app to begin the activation process. Enter your account details and follow the prompts to activate your device. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once you've completed the online process, you should receive a confirmation message. Test your device by making a call or sending a text to ensure everything is working. Remember, if you run into issues, double-check that your SIM card is properly inserted and that your account is in good standing. Happy connecting!